Hello my loves, how are ya? Welcome back. But if you're new, hi, I'm Zina. Today we're gonna create a super easy 3-minute updo. So we will need just 4 hair elastics and some bobby pins. So let's get started.
First, we will make our parting on the side we like, and then we want to select a small half of our crown section like I'm showing, and we will make with it a ponytail. Then we want to make an opening and bring this ponytail through it. Pull it, of course, to make it fuller and voluminous looking, and repeat the steps on other side as well. Also, I like to leave some hair out in front, like always basically. Then we want to grab all our hair left and we will tie it into a very low ponytail. Now, grabbing the ends, we want to tie our ends, creating a ponytail as well. Then make an opening and make a topsy tail. Pull apart, and then you want to loosen our created topsy tail like I'm showing, and then bring it up and pin it in place, crisscrossing your bobby pins. This way your bun will stay secure all day long. I like to leave some hair out from the bun to make it effortless looking, and I'll pin it from this side so there are no gaps. Use some hairspray if you need, and you're done! It's so quick, right? And so easy to recreate, but looks amazing.
I hope that you enjoyed this quick hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget about thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial, because here I post just a lot. Also, let me know in comments down below what kind of hairstyles you'd like me more to share here on my YouTube channel. But that's it for today. Love you guys. Hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye!